Hello everyone, my name is Amit Singh and welcome back to the Amit Show. In today's video, I'm gonna answer the most important question, and the question is, how do I introduce myself? The situation may be a job interview or among your circle. This question can come up anytime. So we wanna be prepared and we wanna give the best answer. In today's video, we'll understand this answer in two segments. So segment number one is somebody who always ends up keep giving wrong answers and never cracks a job interview. On the other hand, we have someone who provides an impressive answer and always leave an impression on the examiner or an job interviewer. So let's get started. Journal trend is we say hello, myself Amit, and the next segment that comes out of our mind is we end up saying I live in Delhi or I am from Delhi. My parents stay there. So starting from the name, we directly jump to which place we come from. Instead, we should remember to wish the crowd that we have in front of us. So depending on the daytime, you can say good afternoon, good evening or good morning. And instead of saying myself Amit, you would say hi, my name is Amit Singh. So first thing is we should greet somebody and then say my name is this, and then you would want to take this opportunity to thank them for giving this opportunity to introduce yourself, making the first part of your introduction with this information. That information that you have provided will leave an impression that you are not in rush. You wanna give them the necessary information they would require to have a connection with you. So there is three things that we should remember. You always greet them before jumping to tell your name. Always take a moment to greet them and then give your full name. I have given hi, my name is Amit Singh, and then you will say thank you for this opportunity. And remember guys, if you are a fresher, so it's always good to thank them. If you are an experienced person, it depends on the time that you have. You can always include this line. Next segment of your introduction is when you tell them from which place you come and which year you have graduated. So we end up saying I born in UP and I am living in Delhi and studying in Delhi in GSBV. GSBV is the name of a school where I am studying. Instead of saying this, you should say I am currently staying in Delhi but born in UP. Saying that, you give them your current location and you tell them what was your permanent location and the place where you were born. Also, I am studying in 12th class GSBV. GSBV means Government Sarvodaya Bal Vidyalaya. So what we did in this slide to understand the difference of starting your college directly in short form or giving the full name of your college or school. Please remember, you know your college name but they don't. So you want to tell them the exact full form of your college or school. So please remember, tell them your location. Please don't be in rush. Give them proper information and always talk about your recent qualification. Like I have completed my 11th class from this school and this location, and always mention full name of your college or school. You wanna give them proper information. Hobbies. Now let's talk about hobbies. So I have seen my most of friends saying that I like to read and watch movies. But what kind of movies? Which kind of book you like to read? You haven't given any information. Instead, you want to tell them I like reading comics and spiritual books and I watch short movies. Now after doing this, you have created a connect with people. It might happen that the people sitting in front of you might be a reader as well. They might want to ask which book have you read. So you will always have answer with you that I have read this book or another one. And you also give them precise information about your hobbies rather than beating around bush. Tell them exactly what hobbies you have, and you can talk about your family as well if you are comfortable. Yes, and remember, I will remind you that your introduction should always be in 60 to 70 seconds. And the last and most important point I will tell you in end of the video. So we have talked about your name. It should be your full name of yours. Greet them before you jump into your introduction or something that can connect you in personal level. So the last point is always wear a smile on your face. So when I say wear a smile on your face, so that means keep a calm face, keep a confident face and always smile a bit. You wanna show them you are happy to be here. You wanna show them that you are glad that you got this opportunity to introduce yourself. And when you are talking to them, always try to make an eye contact and show them you are confident speaker and you are not nervous about this situation. So that was all for our how to introduce yourself video. If you have any question about introducing yourself, please leave a comment. I'll be happy to answer them. And also remember guys, we are starting a 30 days English challenge. All we do here, give you a trick or you can say technique which you can apply in your day-to-day structure and use it to enhance your English language. So subscribe our channel so you will notified, and please give a thumbs up on this video. Do not forget to share with your friend. Also subscribe the Amit Show. I will see you in next video. Thank you. That's it.